welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look. I freaking love how it turned out. It's something definitely out of my comfort zone, but I feel like I nailed it. I feel like I should do more looks like this, but you guys will see what look I created throughout the video. But yeah, you guys, and also let's talk about the elephant in the room. My braces are finally off. Yay! I was waiting for this day. I was waiting for this day to come, and finally I have them off. And I know I look super weird, but you know, we're gonna have to get used to it, you guys. Like, I'm so happy that they're off. I can smile now in pictures, in family pictures, because I remember I didn't smile at all. I was like this all the time. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to hit 1 million by the next year for sure, so please make sure to subscribe, and please make sure to like the video too, and also turn on your bell notification, because that will notify you guys every time I upload new videos and new content. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I created this Euphoria makeup look, then please keep on watching. I have a top on, so don't even come at me that I feel that you guys think I'm naked. But today's makeup look, I'm actually going to be recreating a look that Maddie did from Euphoria. And I was debating whether to do this one right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, or the liner one, this one. So I was debating whether to do that one or this one. So I think I'm gonna do the eyeliner because I think I want to do the eyes first. I decided, change of plans, I decided to do this one right here. It's like the smoky, like pinky color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I want to do that one, yeah, for sure. Okay, so I have 3 palettes right in front of me, and they're all the Anastasia Norvina palettes. So I wanted to see which one would be best for that look. Also, don't mind my fingers, they're gone. Like, these are new. I have not even like seen them. This one's a little too colorful for that look, so I'm not gonna go for that one. I'm gonna go in with volume 1, the ABH Norvina collection. This is the volume 1 palette because of the colors. There's more purples and pinks in here, so I'm definitely gonna use this one, as you guys can see. But first and foremost, we're going to start with our brows. So you guys know how I like to, you know, brush my brows first. You guys know how I like to kind of brush them up and down. This is like priming them. It also like sets them so they don't move around. You honestly don't even need brow brow gel, sorry. Oh my god, I had a brain fog. I'm gonna go ahead and sculpt my brows, and I always use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. I love using this to prime my lids. You guys always ask what concealer brush I use. This is the Anastasia number 18 brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my sponge. It's so crazy that I don't have my braces. Like, how does my smile look like? All right, so I want to talk to you guys about some stuff that I'm pretty sure that you guys don't even know what is going on, but maybe you guys already kind of know, because I haven't really like put him on anything on social media or anything. But I'm going through a breakup, and you know what, how do I explain this? It's already been 3 months that I haven't been with my recent boyfriend, and I don't know if you guys knew who he was, but I did do like one video here with him, and oh god, this is so weird to even say, but I've been okay. Like, that's why I feel like I haven't really been filming and active here because I don't know, it's just weird. I know I didn't tell you guys this like on any of my videos, but it's been like 3 months since we haven't been together. What else can I say? Like, that's why I haven't really been super active. I feel like I'm just starting to come back again to the social media life and stuff like that. So I am just happy where I am now. I'm very happy the place that I'm at right now, with or without a boyfriend. So as you guys know, that relationship lasted almost 10 years. So yeah, it's a really freaking long time. So that's why I really didn't want to talk about it, because I know how hard breakups are, but for me it was like more like I just want to keep it to myself. So that's why I didn't really say anything. Of course, like, a lot of people go through breakups and changes in their lives, especially if it's a long-term relationship. So that's why I was like, I don't know if I want to talk about it, you know. Let's move forward. It looks like she used kind of like a light pink shade, and there's no light pink shades in this palette, so I think I'm just gonna go find one. So I found one. This is from Carity. I don't know how to pronounce it, but there's a bunch of pink shades in here, which I love. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It looks like she put it on right here. I'm gonna pick this shade up right here because it's kind of like a pinky lavender color. Applying this all over right here. Good thing I have no nail, because now I can blend it with my finger. You know what? I'm just gonna pick it up with my finger. So I am gonna put B3, which is this shade right here, and I am gonna apply this on the center, kind of like, not on the center, but right in here, like that. And then I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. This works so perfectly. If we lost a little bit of the A1 color, I'm just gonna go back again and just kind of pop that color back in here. Okay, so we're done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and start to do the eyeliner at the butt part. I'm gonna be taking this brush right here. It's like a brow brush. It's like a purple taupey color. This one is calling my name. Let's start. On this look, she actually didn't go all the way. She kind of like faded it out once she got it in here. So now that we're going in, we're just going to take a more, this is a fluffy brush. This is a Makeup Addiction tapered crease brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend this eyeliner because that's what I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Oh, that got in my eye. So I'm gonna be taking this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Gel Glitter from Urban Decay. I think I said that. In right here, like that. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I am literally obsessed. Look at that. Ooh. Yes. Like, are people even talking about these? Like, how pretty these are? Okay, so now that I added my little twist, I think I'm gonna start with my face, and then I'm gonna come back with the eyes and, you know, do, you know, the rhinestones and stuff, which I'm very excited about. So I'm gonna prime my face with a First Aid Beauty Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I'm gonna be taking the shade 320 and 330, mixing them together. Now I'm gonna add some concealer to get rid of the dark circles we have. Right, so I want to highlight a little bit more under my eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to add a little bit my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. So I baked. So right now that is baking. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Makeup Forever powder and just start to set everything. That is done. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. Now I'm gonna dust off the powder. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna get rid of the powder underneath here. I'm gonna take the same C4 shade and I'm just gonna start to blend out that shade on my lower lash line. Alright, so I am now just gonna curl my lashes and get ready for falsies. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of mascaras. So these lashes that I'm about to put on are actually, I don't even know what these are, but they are very, very similar to the iconic lashes from House of Lashes. So now I'm gonna do the bottom. She does have a lot of mascara on her bottom lashes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now that that's drying, I'm gonna start to do the rhinestones. So I have some rhinestones here that are big, but I feel like those are kind of like they're medium size, the ones she has on. So I think I'm gonna go for that. So she has 2 up here. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eyes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put one in here. I could have done this since the beginning. The one right here, the other one like right here. And then 3 under here. I'm gonna add highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Anastasia palette. This is the Aurora Glow Kit. And I'm gonna take Lara, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply this all over. I'm just gonna do my lips really quick. I feel like she uses a lot of the gloss, so I think I'm gonna stick to that. And then I'm gonna apply this MAC lipstick. I'm gonna be taking this gloss from Hourglass. This one's called Halo. So I think that's pretty much it for this look. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the look. I am so obsessed on how everything turned out. I was actually afraid that I wasn't going to nail it or like think of a look to do, but I am absolutely obsessed on how I chose this look, and it looks so bomb. Like, oh my god. It just looks so good. So I really hope you guys think it came out pretty good too. Alright guys, so that is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I absolutely love how everything turned out. Honestly, like, I was shook on how this performed right here. The Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter gels, they're so amazing. Like if you guys want, you know, a glitter that is not gonna flake away or anything, like, definitely get that. I really do recommend it. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure they have a bunch of colors. Like, I know that I have way more in my drawer. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and also comment down below if you guys want me to keep doing it. Like, the season's over, but I feel like they're gonna come out with more. So let me know if you guys still want me to recreate these kinds of looks, because I really did enjoy it. I did come out of my comfort zone for sure. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.